Imagine uncovering a truth so dark it was buried by kings and clergy, a secret order pulling strings from the grave, their emblems woven into the fabric of power. Tonight we expose the Illuminati's unbreakable hold on history. Act 1. The Hidden Truth. Picture this: Bavaria, 1776. The air thick with Enlightenment fire. Philosophers challenge gods and kings. Amid the cobblestone streets of Ingolstadt, a professor named Adam Weishaupt gathers a handful of trusted minds. They meet in dim cellars, candle flames dancing on stone walls. Their mission? To shatter the chains of superstition, religious dogma, and tyrannical rule. Weishaupt, a man of sharp intellect and burning ambition, founds the Order of the Illuminati. Not some mythical cult, but a real secret society. Inspired by Freemasonry, yet bolder. They adopt ancient rites, symbolic names from history's rebels, Spartacus for Weishaupt himself. Their symbol? The all-seeing eye, borrowed from ancient mysteries, representing knowledge that pierces darkness. At first it's small. Intellectuals, lawyers, nobles drawn to the promise of reason over faith. They infiltrate lodges, spread ideas like wildfire in dry forests, but whispers grow. The church senses threat. Rulers fear uprising. By 1784, the Bavarian duke bans secret societies. Raids follow. Documents seized. The Illuminati scatters into shadows. Officially dissolved in 1785, or so the records claim. What if that was just the beginning? What if their ideals, equality, secular power, seeped into revolutions brewing across oceans? The eye watches from afar, unblinking. Act 2. The Unraveling. Fast forward. The French Revolution erupts in 1789. Heads roll in Paris streets. Monarchies tremble. Conspiracy theorists point fingers. Was it the Illuminati's hand? Scottish scientist John Robinson pens Proofs of a Conspiracy in 1797. He accuses them of masterminding the chaos, blending the Freemasons to topple thrones. French priest Augustin Barruel echoes the cry in his massive tome, linking the order to Jacobins and blood-soaked guillotines. Evidence? Scant, but the myth ignites. Across the Atlantic, the all-seeing eye appears on the Great Seal of the United States in 1782, perched atop an unfinished pyramid, 13 layers for the colonies. Novus Ordo Seclorum, it reads, New Order of the Ages. Coincidence? Or a nod to Weishaupt's vision? Founding fathers like Franklin and Jefferson dabbled in Masonic symbols. Whispers suggest Illuminati influence slipped into America's birth. Deeper we go. The 19th century sees the order's ghost in every shadow. Anti-Masonic movements wage in America, fueled by fears of hidden elites. Symbols multiply. Owls for wisdom and night secrets. Pyramids for eternal hierarchy. The eye stares from dollar bills since 1935, approved by FDR, a Mason himself. Why embed such emblems in currency that touches billions? Control through subtlety? Emotional chains? You see the eye on your money daily. Does it see you back? Act 3. The Fallout. The revelation hits like thunder. If the Illuminati dissolved centuries ago, why does their grip feel eternal? Debunkers cry myth. Weishaupt's group was tiny, crushed by 1787. No vast network survived. Symbols like the eye trace to ancient Egypt, Christianity's watchful god, not some Bavarian plot. Freemasons adopted it first. Conspiracies twisted the tale. Yet the fallout lingers, dark and real. Paranoia poisons societies. In the 1790s, New England preachers warn of Illuminati infiltration, sparking America's first conspiracy panic. Today, it fuels QAnon echoes, anti-vax fears, election doubts, billions influenced by a ghost. What if that's the true control? Not a living order, but an idea that won't die. Symbols embedded so deep they shape beliefs without a single meeting. Imagine World leaders at Bohemian Grove under giant owl statues, echoes of Illuminati wisdom symbols, rituals or recreation, the eye on satellites, watching from space, consequences cascade, divided nations, eroded trust. History rewritten not by victors but by shadows we invent. The ultimate forbidden truth, we empower the myth ourselves. In seeking hidden masters, we blind ourselves to real powers, greed, inequality, unchecked ambition. The Illuminati's dark grip? It's in our minds, unbreakable. As the eye fades into darkness, ponder this. Symbols don't control the world, we let them. Buried truths resurface, revealing not monsters, but mirrors of our fears. If history were never censored, how different would our world be? Subscribe to uncover more forbidden truths. Like if this chilled your soul, comment your own symbol sightings, and hit that bell for the next shadow we chase.